Hello guys, today we're talking about the Krunia 9.26 Wireless Portable Carplay Screen, and honestly, it's one of those upgrades that can instantly modernize an older car. The best part is how ridiculously easy the installation is, no complicated wiring or dashboard surgery. You just mount the screen, plug it into your car's 12V charger socket, and you're ready to roll in minutes. The display is a bright 9.26-inch HD IPS touchscreen built to handle sunlight glare much better than most cheap aftermarket units. Wireless connectivity is another huge highlight, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto running smoothly through fast Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so your navigation and apps connect almost instantly when you start the car. What really makes this unit stand out is the bonus safety tech, including a 4K front dash cam and HD rear backup camera. The screen automatically switches to the rear view when you reverse, making parking much easier. You also get flexible audio options like aux, Bluetooth, or FM transmission, plus OTA firmware updates that keep the system improved over time. Overall, the Krunia 9.26 CarPlay screen is a powerful plug-and-play upgrade that delivers modern features, strong connectivity, and extra driving safety in one sleek package.